Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, we will want to open up our settings. In here, navigate all the way to the bottom, select System and Update, and then Reset Phone. From the options, select Clear All Data Permanently. Give it a second, and it will present you with a list of data that will be removed, which would also sometimes show it in your accounts and applications. But most importantly, what it gets rid of is things like music, photos, and instead of saying other user data, I would say all user data would be the most accurate way to describe this. So if you keep anything on your phone that you would like to maintain, maybe you have downloaded documents, some photos, music, videos, whatever of that sort you have locally on your phone that isn't backed up to the cloud, and make a backup copy of it before you go any further. I recommend making a backup copy of your data manually using cable and moving it to your computer, as this gives you full control over your own data. It isn't being uploaded to any kind of cloud and then used to train some bullshit AI to then use it to replace you. So that gives you obviously just peace of mind that your data is yours. Whatever personal information you have there isn't being used against you or whatever. And there's also some other limitations when doing things like uploading it to the cloud. Usually you are kind of, depending on the manufacturer, sometimes you're locked into their ecosystem. And lastly, if you're in European Union, companies are forced to delete the data after, I believe, 2 years or something like that. So after 2 years, if you haven't done anything with your backup, the company needs to delete it. Obviously, at that point, it defeats the backup because the company just got to use your supposed backup for whatever AI training crap they wanted to do, even though they allegedly don't do it. Let's be completely honest. They most certainly do. So they get to use that data, and then when you want to back it up after, for instance, 2 years, or restore, sorry, you find out that your backup is deleted because European Union mandates that. Great. So do it yourself to your computer. This gives you full control over it, and obviously the random 2-year period that forces companies to delete the data, it doesn't apply to you. So your data can be stored on your computer indefinitely. Now anyway, let's select clear data. If you have a screen lock, you do need to confirm it. And once you do, it just gives you one last prompt that all data will be basically deleted permanently and this cannot be undone. I'm gonna select erase all data, and this will begin factory resetting your phone. This process will take probably 2-3 minutes on this phone to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.